With everything covered so far, it's important to focus on best practices for clarity and impact. This helps prevent mistakes or creating misleading visuals. Let's ask Copilot to guide us on best practices for creating clear and impactful visualizations. To ensure visualizations are clear, engaging, and easy to interpret, follow these guidelines. First, understand the audience. Adjust the complexity and style of visuals according to the audience's background. Use simpler visuals for a general audience and more detailed or technical visuals for expert viewers. Next, select the appropriate chart type. Ensure the chart matches the message you want to convey. Use line charts to show trends, bar charts for comparisons, pie or donut charts for proportions, histograms and box plots for distributions, and scatter plots to highlight relationships between variables. Use colour strategically. Highlight key data points rather than using colour purely for decoration. Maintain a consistent colour palette and avoid excessive or hard-to-distinguish colours, especially for colourblind users. Keep the design clean and simple. Remove unnecessary grid lines, borders, and 3D effects to avoid clutter. Remember the principle: less is more. Use white space effectively to separate different elements and improve readability. Label clearly. Always label axes, legends, and data points when needed. Choose readable fonts and sizes and include units such as USD, percentages, or kilograms wherever applicable. Tell a story with your visualization. Guide the viewer's attention to the most important insights using annotations or call-outs to emphasize key points. Provide context, including timeframes and data sources, to make the information meaningful. Test for understanding by asking someone unfamiliar with the data to interpret the chart. If they struggle, simplify or clarify the design to improve comprehension. Additionally, follow guidelines on what to avoid to maintain clarity and impact in visualizations.